Hey boys, welcome back to another video. This is a Bitcoin update and a warning. Looks like it is not looking fluffy, boys, and my long is now underwater. Because guess what? I didn't close my long. I was already up 4 to 5x yesterday, but I in fact did not move my stop loss to break even because I was like, you know what? Maybe Trump is going to, have progress with Iran and they're finally going to end the war. I think the decision is going to be this maybe tomorrow or Saturday. But I'm going to show you the reason why Bitcoin is dumping again, and looks like it's really shaky right now. So I'm going to show you some news and charts. All right, so let's get into the charts. All right, so this was my long yesterday, and I took it, I think, right here, if I remember. Yeah, I think I took it right there, and then it dipped, and then I was in profits like a lot, but damn, I forgot. No, you know what? This is me being greedy. I should have just moved my stop loss to break even, closed half, and then be done for the week. But now I'm a little bit trapped because I'm still hoping that we would break out and then fill some big orders above before coming down. But I guess I'm wrong. Now I want to know the reason why. It's because Iran has officially rejected the US peace proposal. I mean, it's not a rejection because they just sent a counter proposal, basically. So I think Trump has like 10 conditions, but Iran was like, you know what, let's just have 5. And I think these are all reasonable, but so everyone is waiting for what Trump is going to say. And is he gonna counter, or what are they going to do? But oil is pumping again because of this, and if you look at the charts right now, it is going up again. So we are getting cooked, and I think it's time to start riding bicycles again or just walk. This is just crazy. And also, so remember Trump gave like a 5-day pause on the strikes. Now it's gonna be over in 48 hours. So there's no new announcement of any extension. So I feel like we're really going to dump if they don't resolve this within the next 48 hours. So I might just close this today, but I'm going to wait when the market opens because Trump and his company might be long, and then they're gonna say that, okay, we agree that, so this is like a coin flip at this point, and it's just so funny that our coins are now in Trump's hands, basically. So also this, you gotta follow Kobe C later. They said that Pentagon is now developing military options for a final blow in Iran that could include the use of ground forces and a massive bombing. This is scary. This is very scary. We do not want this, because that means that we might dump. But if we do, we're gonna buy a lot of spots. So those were like one of the crazy news for today. And let's look at, yeah, of course, because of that, all our coins are red. And on the calendar, Thursday, we have unemployment claims. Oh, in about an hour. No, 1 minute. So let's see. In 1 minute, are we going to get a reaction? Let's look at S&P. Yeah, S&P and Nasdaq's also dumping. So that is not looking so floppy. So let's wait for a bit. Let's actually see if we're gonna get a reaction. What about ETH? ETH, yeah, it's just following Bitcoin. Same with Solana. Everything's just, but there might be a long, boys. There might be a long right here. So let's see. We got 1 more minute. Come on, let me delete this. Man, I got faked out. I really thought that there was progress and there talks and they're gonna end the war, but you know what? Yeah, my long is cooked. My long is cooked. So let's wait. So it is now 8:30 and it looks like nothing. There's nothing burger. So not much has changed on unemployment claims, and it looks like, yeah, there's nothing. So I feel like we just had to wait for New York session to open. So I don't have any levels right now. This is just everything relies on Trump basically. So I'm gonna try to hold along, but I have like a stop right here. This is like a wide stop now, because you know if we lose this level, then obviously we're gonna head lower. So if we lose this level, then we're gonna break this trend line and come down lower. So as long as we're still right here, there's still a chance that we could go to 80K. All right. So that is it for this video. See you guys on the next one. Oh, I almost forgot, boys. I do have some links below: Wix, Bybit, BTCC. So if you want to use them, go ahead and use them. All right. So thank you, boys, for watching. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like. All right. Bye bye.